Yeah, yes, we can. In this scenario, we're able to replace some of the communication lines with Internet connectivity. We still have Internet connectivity to support web activity for internal and customer use and support email accounts. As in the previous example, we need to support data communication channels. However, in this case, I can add a VPN to my Internet connection at both ends and securely send corporate data across the Internet. That means I don't have to pay for the leased lines to connect each site. I can also send my fax machines to the network instead of the phone system and send faxes across the Internet. Again, this reduces costs. For now, I'll still use the standard phone system for voice communication, so I've essentially replaced 4 separate communication channels with 2. And in a very short time, I can migrate my phone systems to IP and allow them to communicate over the Internet link as well. At that point, I will have converted all my traffic to a single VPN, reducing costs and increasing security. Do VPNs sound like a good idea to you? They are easier to maintain, less expensive, and more secure than using separate channels for different types of communication. VPNs sound like the perfect fit, except for one drawback. They create a single point of failure for all communication in a company. That is, if the VPN fails, all communication stops. Because of this, most companies will continue to use the phone lines in conjunction with Internet connections and not use VPNs for all communication for a long time to come.